Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech TV. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up to Frollo account. First of all, tap and open Frollo application on your device. Now you can simply click on next button or you can skip it from the top left corner of the screen. Now click on register with email button. Now type in your email on this field. After that, type your password on this field here. Now click on register button. After that, click on accept, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you need to verify your email address. After opening the email address, click on confirm button. Now choose any one of these browsers. After that, you have been verified successfully. Now click on back to app button here. Now you need to secure your app using your Face ID or an passcode. Now click on finish button. Now type in your first name and last name. And click on next button. Now click on create account button. After that, choose any one of your bank. And click on continue button. After that, you need to grant Frollo application for free 6 months or 12 months. Choose accordingly and click on next button. After that, toggle these switches on and click on next. Now click on I consent button. After that, click on connect button here. Now click on continue button and log into your account. If you do not want to connect your account, you can simply remove this from the app launcher and reopen the Frollo application. Now type in your password and you can see that you are logged into your Frollo account. So that is how you can sign up to Frollo account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.